057 need to travel document for imported vessels.
Iberia and Aer Lingus. To help us get away on time, please ensure that your hand baggage is safely put away. Smaller bags must be put underneath the seat in front of you and all larger items placed securely into the overhead. Flight to London's Heathrow Airport. This is a code-share flight with our One World Alliance partners American Airlines, Finnair, Iberia and Aer Lingus. Please can you make sure that your hand baggage is safely stowed. Smaller bags should go underneath the seat in front of you and all larger bags placed securely into the overhead lockers. If you're sitting in a front row seat, an emergency exit row, or are in our first or our Club World cabins, the floor area must be completely clear for takeoff. Once your hand baggage is safely stowed, please do make yourself comfortable. We're pleased to let you know that portable electronic devices may be used during the flight as long as they're in flight safe mode. You may use handheld devices such as mobile phones, tablets and e-readers during takeoff and landing. You may also use your personal headphones at these times.
Airbus A380 Trockerbox flight from Tom Bradley International to London Heathrow's Terminal 5. My name is Stephen White. My great pleasure to be your first officer for today's journey. In command of the aircraft is Captain David Palmer, and also we have Senior First Officer Tom Bristow with us here on the flight deck. Very much trust and hope you're settled in, relaxed, looking forward to our journey this evening. And it's my pleasure being the driving, so I'll be keeping you updated with our progress. We have a flight time of 9 hours and 50 minutes together. Just a few minutes to go before scheduled departure time. So optimistic we'll get away on time in the next few minutes, subject to air traffic control. Optimistic arriving into London Heathrow, nicely on schedule. Local time at the moment, 5:30 in the morning in the United Kingdom, so it's an 8-hour time difference there. In the cabin, we've got a fabulous team of 22 you met already. Heading up our team as cabin service director is Peter Lowry. Peter and the team will be making your flight with us as pleasant and enjoyable as possible, but our primary role in life is for your safety and welfare, so to that end you can do your bit please by giving the safety demonstration your full attention. Just lasts 5 minutes and outlines safety equipment and procedures on board. No smoking as ever. It includes e-cigarettes whenever you're on board, please, until we reach the terminal at the other end. Designated smoking areas. And the final parish notice would be we're expecting smooth flight conditions, taking off in a westerly direction. A bit blustery in the local area once we punch up through that and head off towards Las Vegas and cross at about 35,000 feet. Should be smooth going. A couple of jet streams to cross, but if you are sitting down, relaxing, taking some rest overnight, do have those lap straps fastened and visible to my crew. So that's enough from me. We're going to run our checks, chat to air traffic, and be on our way just as soon as we can. So enjoy the flight. Here's Peter and my crew.
Well, this could be your big break, okay, mate? So don't mess it up. Shall we get one in the can, guys? Okay, action! We will now demonstrate the safety features on this aircraft, and your attention is essential, as these may differ from any aircraft that you've flown on before.
Take care your hand baggage does not block the aisles or exit. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully as they may fall out and injure someone, especially if there's a bag full of duty-free goods, darling.
Please take a moment to locate the nearest exit, bearing in mind this may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. Your crew will now demonstrate this for you.
Wow, that...
Like this will appear automatically. Stay in your seat and pull the mask towards you. Place the mask over your mouth and nose like this and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note that the bag may not inflate. In all the washrooms, Club World and First cabins, you may need to pull on the coloured streamer to release the mask. And please.
You'll also find the Flying Star donation envelope in your seat area. So if you've got any spare change in any currency, find it, take it out, and put it in the envelope. Please.
Service Director on this flight to London Heathrow, Terminal 5. I'd just like to add my personal welcome to you all and welcome back to our Executive Club members and all our One World frequent flyers. If there's anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please just let one of us know. As the captain captain's already mentioned, we do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. And make sure it's securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. Now, this being one of our night flights, I'm sure you'll try to make use of some of the blankets provided for you. Can I just ask one favour, that you make sure you put your seatbelt on over the top of the blanket? This just means the crew wouldn't need to...
London Heathrow. Very much trust and hope you had a relaxing journey with us overnight. A few ripples of turbulence, no more than that, as we crossed a couple of jet streams. Hopeful to say you are relaxed for our arrival into London Heathrow, as I say, in 40 minutes time. We can expect about 5 to 10 minutes of holding, busy time of the afternoon at Heathrow itself, so probably 5 to 10 minutes of holding, which will have us touching down right on schedule at 4 on your watches. So if you want to adjust your watches, it's just going to 22 minutes after 3. Touching down on schedule, we'll be on stand at Terminal 5, the sea gates, about 5 minutes after that. Weather-wise, you can see outside the window, if you're by the windows, quite a thick layer of cloud at the lowest levels, extending all the way to Heathrow, so unfortunately won't be able to afford you great views today. The lowest of the cloud base is 1,600 feet above the ground. Light westerly breeze blowing into it, landing on the westerly runways, which affords us a nice strong taxi in to stand. And temperatures 11 degrees Celsius, which is mid-50s Fahrenheit. Obviously, if there are any details or updates that are required, I'll come back and keep them.
Seatbelt sign will be switched on in 20 minutes time. Once the seatbelt sign is switched on, the washrooms will be out of use, so if you would like to sort out your luggage or use the washrooms before we arrive, can I ask you to do this as soon as possible, please? Here at British Airways, we have a partnership with Comic Relief called Flying Start, and that supports vulnerable children in the UK and Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London's Heathrow Airport. It's 3 minutes past 4 on Friday afternoon. Please remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened, leaving your hand luggage safely stowed until the captain switches off the seatbelt sign, and he'll do that once we arrive at Terminal 5C. You may now make and receive calls and use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Once it's safe to do so, please do take care when you open the overhead lockers to make sure nothing falls and hurts anyone. And before you leave us this afternoon, please do take a few moments to check that you're not leaving anything behind. May we remind you that there are no smoking facilities in the terminal building. If your journey ends here at Heathrow today, please follow the yellow signs to arrivals and baggage reclaim. If you're connecting to another flight, please take a look at the screens in the terminal building. If your gate is not listed, please follow the purple signs to flight connections, or you can get these plastic bags from security. Well, wherever your final destination is, we hope the rest of your day is a very pleasant one and that your onward journey is a safe one. On behalf of all of us here at British Airways and the One World Alliance, we'd like to thank you very much for choosing to fly with us. It's been a pleasure to serve you. A very good afternoon to you all.